If you want to remove a payment method from your LinkedIn account, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your LinkedIn account. Open your web browser and go to the LinkedIn website. Enter your credentials to log into your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Navigate to the Payments section. In the Settings menu, look for the Account tab. Under this tab, find and click on Payments and Billing to access your payment methods. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. In the Payments section, you will see a list of your saved payment methods. Identify the payment method you wish to remove and click on it. Step 5. Remove the payment method. After selecting the payment method, look for the option to remove or delete it. Click on this option and confirm your choice to successfully remove the payment method. Now you have successfully removed your payment method from LinkedIn. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to LinkedIn support.